was at a point in my life after the loss of my wife where I was in a dark place, and there were issues that remained post-Vietnam that I felt the need to be around my fellows. This was a wonderful experience. This helped me to get out of my head, to get unstuck. I greatly enjoyed the camaraderie. I enjoyed the beautiful accommodations and scenery. The fellowship was extremely helpful. I learned a lot about off-road riding. I just enjoyed the week. I didn't think about what I came here for or what I was bothered with prior to coming here. The whole week, it was just a vacation from my head, and spending time with some wonderful guys that are sincere and genuinely concerned about welfare of our veterans. And I can't say enough good about this. And I know that going forward, it's been a turning point in my life in terms of attitude and hope. It's just been a complete shift in my thinking, and I want to hold on to that and keep in touch with these guys. And I am extremely grateful for all they've done. To Tom and all the volunteers, it's been beyond anything I had hoped for. Thank you.